What's going on, guys? Juan here, your favorite video content creator on this platform. Yeah, I just making a brand new video here on my brand new, what year is it? 2007 Honda Civic.
Yo,
Yeah.
how is it 2007 if it's 2000?
Make sure you let them know it's a coupe.
2007. Yeah. Ooh, you like that shit, guys? I just rubbed my crotch all over that shit. Hell yeah. Come take a look. We got two, bam, slap headlights. This one doesn't work though when I drive it. It's fucked, and the cops are gonna pull me over one day. We got some nice black tinted windows. You know, I'm gonna get a ticket for this shit too. Ooh, can't wait for that. Oh, I got a sunroof. Look. Hello. On my shoulder. Hell yeah. Ooh, why don't you come and check out the cockpit. My Millennium Falcon. This is the cock. Check it. We got a nice complimentary water bottle from the dude that sold it to me off of Craigslist. I got a parking brake. I like pretending to hold it, making me think it's someone's hand. We have cool state-of-the-art controls. I can control the radio with this, the volume. Oh fuck, I'm out of breath. Fuck, did all that running shit. Anyway, what else we got? Yeah, it's 2 doors, so if anyone past 6 feet tall wants to get in the bag, they're fucked, including myself. So no one's driving this shit but me. What else? Okay, we got a nice gas tank for this bad boy. We got a nice trunk. Shit. Ooh, I opened that shit with my mind. Perfect for a body. Perfect for anyone over. No. Wait. Perfect. Oh my god, my ass. So yeah, this shit's fucking beautiful, guys. It's a great starter car. If you're looking to buy one, you know, I got it off Craigslist for about $5,000. The guy tried to haggle me $550, but I was like, listen, bitch, I'm poor, and you know, I got this night.
What are you doing in my car?
Hey, motherfucker! Hey, get out of my video, brother.
What
Please.
the fuck are you
Get out of
doing in my
video.
car?
Hey,
Can I have my fucking? I want to go take a shit at your house. What are you doing? What the fuck? I want to go take a shit at your house, and now you're over here. You slut! You don't even know how to drive.
Wait, I don't know how to lock it.
I hate you.
Hey guys, thanks for watching my car review. Please subscribe. This is one of the worst videos I've ever made. Subscribe to my friend H here, H Raps. He makes some pretty good music. I'd appreciate it if you checked him out. Now, if you don't mind, turn the fucking camera off because we're about to fuck.